Hallelujah. So the devil knows that it's not about me, but it's about. Is there anybody want to testify? I want to give it honor to God, because to God be all the glory for the things he's done, not just St. James, but now in Brooklyn. Y'all ain't helping me. To God be the glory. I'm still here. I'm still here because the grace of God. Look at your neighbor, say, neighbor, if it had not been, come on, tell him, if it had not been for the Lord on my side, Lord have mercy. Let me just give my testimony before I go to my seat. Glory to God. I was on my way into Brooklyn to visit my mother. I was coming from home, and I got on the exit 55, making my way into Brooklyn. And as I was making my way into Brooklyn, hallelujah, I was driving and began to wheel over, and something began to happen. Glory to God. Hallelujah. And what happened was, my wife called 911, and they got onto the Long Island Expressway. And as they put me in the car, in the ambulance, to take me to the ER, all I can hear them say was, we're losing them. These people are dying. But can I tell you that when you are anointed right now, ain't no trial gonna take you out of here. Ain't no storm gonna take you out of here. Lord have mercy. Here I am. I need to let the devil know I'm lost tonight. Gotta praise. Gotta praise. Clap your hands and give God glory. When you are anointed, yes, sir, for your right now. I was in the bed with the flu this week. I said, Lord have mercy, I ain't gonna make Saturday. I ain't gonna make it. I can't even get out the bed. Yesterday, for the first day, I got up and started moving around and got out the house. And the Spirit of the Lord told me, said, when you forget who's in you.
My God. Yes, my God.
Now, here's the thing. Someone's going to act like, oh, that's not me. But there's a trial.
Come on, Bishop.
I want to talk to some real people.
I know you're talking right, Bishop. Come on, Bishop.
That when you go through that trial, you say, oh, Lord.
My God.
Jesus said, he said, if it be thy will. Come on. My God. Jesus, who was homotheos. He said, Lord, if it be thy will, help us, Lord. Let this cup pass. He said, but Lord, nevertheless,
come on here. Come on here.
thy will. I really wish I could preach tonight. Nevertheless, thy will be done. So in other words, what he was saying was, even though I feel how I feel, your position as being God is not in jeopardy based on how I feel.
My God.
Because even though I feel the way that I feel, I am still anointed.
So good.
So I got to pick myself up.
Yes, sir.
I said, Lord, I'm really tired. I don't really want to do it, but nevertheless.
Nevertheless.
I don't know if there's any preachers in here that can attest to this, but there was a season in my life. I didn't even want to go to my own church to preach on Sunday morning. I know some of these deep preachers gonna act like they ain't never been through that kind of stuff.
Tell it.
But you know those days that you just listen.
But I'm anointed. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir.
I don't have no voice tonight, but if I could just end with a little song. I don't have no voice. I ain't even going to try, but the word says, I've been captured by love that I can't explain.
You know, try it.
I've been captured by love I can't explain. Now you have me, and I'm forever changed. I've abandoned everything I ever knew. I surrender. My life is not my own. I belong to you. I don't know. Are there any worshipers in here? You know that? You know it? I belong to you. Come on, everybody standing. Not so loud. I belong. You know it?
I belong to you.
While she's singing, listen.
I've been captured.
This is for you tonight.
Love I can't explain.
He captured me the day he healed me.
You have me, and
I was broken. I was down.
I've abandoned everything I
Man, I wish I had a voice tonight.
Now I surrender. My life is not my own.
Tell him. I belong. Come on, open your mouth and tell him. To you. Can y'all just tell him that? Tell him that. I belong. Where my worshipers at? Come on.
To you.
Let's do this part. Oh, my life is not my own. I know y'all know that.
To you I belong.
Oh,
I give myself to you.